Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a Google Docs tips on how to resize images on Google Docs mobile. So here I have already opened a Google Docs file on my phone. Then I'm going to just start by adding an image. So just click on the plus icon at the top, then go to image and click on from photos, and then just select your image. Okay, so for example this one. Okay, so if you add an image, you can see when you click on the image on the Google Docs, there is no options to like resize or crop the photo. So what you guys need to do is, first you need to change the view on the Google Docs into a print layout view by clicking on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Then enable the print layout view. Okay, so now it became like this. Now when you click on the image, you can see now there is this box right here that we can use to resize the image. So if you want to make it smaller, just click on one of the box on the edges here and just drag it like this, and the image will become smaller. On vice versa, if you want to make it bigger, just drag it or zoom it in like this. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.